12 Archana seeing
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 4045, sir.
Sir, Sai Teja 4096.
ஒருத்தர சொல்லுங்க 4045 கீர்த்தனாவாங்களா?
Yes, sir.
ஓகேம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட் அர்ச்சனா. அர்ச்சனா சி பிரசன்ட். ஓகே, அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் யார் சொன்னீங்கப்பா? வேற யாருப்பா சொல்லுங்கப்பா ஒவ்வொருத்தர. ஓகேப்பா, சாய் தேஜா 4096. ஓகே, சாய் தேஜா. எனிபடி எல்ஸ்? ஓகே, இப்போ ஆப்சன்டீஸ் ரீட் பண்றேன். உஷா ஸ்ரீ, ஆண்டனி ரோஷிக், அரவிந்தன், அர்ச்சனா எம், அருண்குமார், சந்துரு, யூ தனுஷ், கௌதம் ராஜ், ஹரிகரன் என், ஜீவன், கிருபாகரன், மோரிஷ், மோகன கணபதி, நிகேஷ், நித்திக் ரோஷன். இவங்களாம் ஆப்சன்ட்பா. ஓகேவா? Okay, what you discussed in last class? What is the topic you discussed in last class? Anybody tell me? What is the topic you discussed in last class? What are topics you discussed in last class? Yeah, tell me. Topics we discussed in last class. Nobody else can open your mouth. Okay, previous class we have discussed about the wireless link. Continuation, you can see I have shared the screen. Yeah, my screen is visible. The screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. The previous class we are discussed about till wireless links, and then now we are going to discuss about IEEE 802.11. Okay, it is a part of the IEEE only, wireless LAN only. We are going to use the IEEE version is only 802.11. Okay, it is also called as a Wi-Fi. Your wireless link or wireless LAN is also called as a Wi-Fi. Okay, it is used in the geographical areas like home, office, buildings, campuses like that. It is mainly used in the particular areas only. The wireless LANs are used. Okay, it supports the additional features such as power management and security mechanism. It supports the IEEE 802.11. It supports the additional features and which is supports the power management and security mechanism. Okay, based upon the two type of hopping sequence, split spectrum only, the wireless LAN is performed. First one is by using frequency hopping, it is transmitting the bandwidth of up to 79. Okay, and then by using the direct sequence spectrum only, shipping sequence will be implemented. By using the shipping sequence, the data will be transmitted between the sender and receiver. Okay, both standard runs in a 2.4 gigahertz and provide up to 2 Mbps. Okay, the data will be transmitted will be between the sender and receiver will be up to 2 Mbps. Okay, here then physical layer stands for standard 802.11b is added, which can be able to transmit the direct sequence on the basis of direct sequences it will provide the Mbps of 11 Mbps. Most recent standard is 802.11g, which is a backward compatible with 802.11b. 11b means what? Already we are telling of the frequency hopping, which is compatible with the 11g. Okay. Here, collision avoidance. How the collision is avoided between the, if you are transmitting the between A, B, C and C, how the collision is occurred, how the collision avoidance are rectified. Okay, consider a situation in the following figure where each of 4 nodes is able to send and receive signal at that reaches the node its immediate left and right. Immediate left and right means B is assigned as a immediate middle node, which is left side node is assigned as a node, and then right side node will be assigned as a C node. Okay, for example, B want to send the message between with A and C means, but it cannot reach D. Okay, because to reach because within a particular circle only the data can be able to reach the particular destination, but not A, because it is different circle. A is in the different circle, but it is inside the circle B, C and D, which is comes under the wireless link technology or wireless network technology. Okay. Suppose in this case hidden nodes which is assigned as A and C are hidden from each other. A will be assigned as a separate node, and then C is also assigned as a separate node. B is combined with 2 circle nodes. So suppose A and B, C want to communicate means with B, so that it send a frame. A and C are unaware of each other since their signal do not carry that far. Okay, but is with the help of Ethernet, neither A nor C with the help of collision only the data can be transmitted between the sender and receiver. Here A and C are said to be hidden nodes. A will be assigned as a different circle, and then C will be assigned as a different circle. So A and C are said to be as a hidden nodes in this diagram. Okay. Okay, and then another problem called as exposed nodes. Exposed node means suppose B is sending a data to A and node A want to communicate with B. Okay, so it is C is in the intermediate point. C want to communicate with B's transmission. Okay, it would mistake of C to conclude it cannot transmit to any one B transmission. Suppose C want to transmit to D. Okay, within a node only the data can be transmitted. If B can transmit to C and D. Okay, so likewise A can transmit to B and C. So this is not a problem since C's transmission to D will not interference with A's ability to receive from B, because D is a separate circle. A is also will be assigned as separate. So A and D will not be reached together. So it is assigned as a exposed node. Okay. 802.11 addresses these 2 problems with an algorithm. What is the 2 problems? Which first, before transmitting from the sender, it will want to transmit request to sender. Before, if I am the sender, you are the receiver means. First of all, I want to send the request to send. Based upon the request I send it to the receiver means the receiver will send the clear to send. If there is no collision, if it is free, you can send the frame like that. From the receiver side, receiver will send the command as clear to send. Based upon that only, the sender will transmit the data from the sender, send the frame from the sender, based upon the request received by the receiver. Okay, based upon the any node that sees the CTS frame know that it is closed receiver, it cannot transmit for the particular period of time. Okay, based upon that, if I am a request to send it, if if a sender gets a clear to send a message from the receiver means the particular sender will transmit a frame but to the particular receiver with the acknowledgement of the receiver. So it is free to transmit the particular frame. Okay, using the acknowledgement only, the sender will transmit the frame from the sender will transmit the frame. If two or more nodes detect an idle link and try to transmit an RTS frame at the same time means, okay, if two or more nodes are there means, if RTS records will be received from the same node means, based upon the time duration only, the data can be transmitted between the sender and receiver. So the sender realizes the collision has happened when they do not receive CTS frame after a period of time. CTS means clear to send means if the collision has occurred, direction means based upon the collision direction, there will be a clear to send command will be transmitted by the receiver. The amount of time is given by the node delay is defined by the same exponential back-off algorithm using on the Ethernet. Okay, back-off algorithm means based upon the algorithm which is used to transmit the data between the sender and receiver can be used with the help of Ethernet. Okay, by using the back-off algorithm only, the data will be transmitted between the sender and receiver. Okay, here next 802.11 is suitable for ADAC. ADAC means what? Wireless technology, which is used to transmit the data in the form of wireless node. Wireless node means what? In the form of wireless technology only, the data transmitted between the access point to access point, or from the access point to distributed system, or from the distributed system to access point. These are all forms of this can be done with the help of access point with the help of a distributed system. Here, see this diagram. Here, one distributed system will be there. With the help of distributed system, access point will be 3 access point. In access point 1 will be A, B, C will be access point 1, and then access point 2, T and H will be there, and then access point 3, E, F and G is there. Based upon the access point only, if A want to communicate with F or E means, first of all, through the access point only, A will transmit the data to access point. From the access point, the access point will transmit only the access it will transmit to the access point 3, and then from the access point 3 it will reach us to the destination node of E. Okay, so the node of communication between A to can be performed between A to D. Or distributed system, the data transmission will be performed from one to distributed network. So access point communication with the help of a distributed system only, the data can be shared between nodes to select one cell to another. This technique is selecting an access point is called as scanning. If you are connecting Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi connection means, if you are scanning process before connecting Wi-Fi means, it will process the connection process. What are the nodes are nearest to me? That all nodes will be available while connecting the Wi-Fi. Based upon that, we are going to connect the particular Wi-Fi node, or that is a Wi-Fi node is called as a access point. We are going to connect a particular access point only. So based upon that request only, the particular access point will connect the particular nodes. Okay, the access point replies with an association response frame. Based upon that, which are connected to the particular access point only, that access point will respond to the particular nodes. A node engages this protocol whenever it joins the network as well as when it becomes unhappy with its current access point. This might happen, for example, because the signal from its current access point has weakened due to a node moving away from it. Okay, whenever a node acquires a new access point, the new access point notifies the old access point of the change via the distributed system. If you want to change the access point, means due to the, for example, A is previous diagram you have seen. No, in this diagram, A is assigned as a access point. From the A is assigned in this access point 1. From A is sender, and then GF is assigned as a receiver. If I am sending to the access point 2, which is assigned as a D node. If in the D node means from the distributed system, it will transmit to the access point 2. From the access point 2 only, destination node B is communicated. Based upon the access point only, the particular nodes are able to communicate it. So this is called as a wireless LAN, which is in the here A, B, C, and then C is communicated directly to D, which is B. So node mobility means at some point C prefers access pointed with each other. One access point to another access point, the node transmission will be performed from one to another point only, and then I am transferring the data between the one node to another node with the help of distributed system. Okay, here this is a frame format for 802.11 wireless LAN. First, source address and destination address is uses the 48-bit address. Here 4 addresses will be used: address 1, address 2, address 3, and then C, and then duration. How much duration the particular frame to be transmitted comes under the duration, which is used as the 16-bit address, and then payload is, and then CRC is used as a based on cyclic redundancy check only. If any error can be occurred during the transmission period, means during the CRC only the error direction the scheme is rectified. Okay, it uses the CRC will uses the 32-bit frame. Okay, it uses the 32-bit frame. That done 2312 bytes. Okay, based upon that only the data transmission will be performed. Okay, frame contains 4 addresses that already we have seen. No, frame contains 4 addresses: address 1, address 2, address 3, address 4. These from this here node, what is the destination address, which is going to destination node. Source node device, who is the sender of the particular data, is called as a source node. That is assigned as a from DS. From DS means that is from the source node to destination node, which is assigned as a destination node. Address 2 will be assigned as a sender node. Okay, most complex is both destination bits set to 1 indicates that the message went to from a distributed system to another wireless node. Here wireless node to wireless node transmission is a one node. Address 2 is assigned as access point. Address 3 is assigned as access point 1. Address 4 is assigned as a A. This is a destination. For example, E is assigned as a source node. A is assigned as a destination node. From what is the access point? Access point 2, 3 will be there in the E node, and then we identifies the ultimate destination address to identifies the immediate sender. Immediate sender means the particular data will be transmitted to the access point from the distribution system to it will transmitted to the original source node or original destination. Okay, based upon these 4 fields, based upon the data transmission will be performed between these 4 fields. Okay. Is if there is so from the source to another will be act as a master. Here n number of slave nodes are there. Belongs to one individual or okay. The version 2 provides a speed up which is used as a 2.1 Mbps. The power consumption is low. The Bluetooth it uses the power consumption is low. Bluetooth is specified by an industry consortium called as a Bluetooth Special Interest Group. It specified an entire suite of protocol going beyond the link layer to define application protocol, which it calls profiles for a range of applications. Okay, the basic Bluetooth network configuration is called as a PicoNet. Okay, by using the PicoNet only, the data transmission will be performed between the sender and receiver. Consists of master device and then up to 7 slave device. Okay, one will be act as a in Bluetooth transmission. One will be act as a master. Another up to 7 slave nodes can be connected with the master node. Okay, so any communication is done with between the master and slave. Up to 7 nodes are there. 7 slave nodes are there. In that 7 slave nodes, one will act as a master node. All all slave nodes will be connected or sharing the data with the slave nodes. The slave do not communicate directly with each other. Okay, with the help of master node only, the slave will be communicated to the another slave node. If a slave n number of slave 1, slave 2, slave 3 are there, if a slave want to communicate with the slave 3 means it can able to communicate. It will transmit the data to the particular master node. From the master node only, the data will be transmitted to the slave 3. The master will be act as a intermediate node between the master and the slave. Okay, here Zigbee is a new technology that computes from the Bluetooth technology. It is a standard of Bluetooth is 802.15.4. Bluetooth for Bluetooth, it is the version defined by the IEEE is 802.15.4, which is used for a Bluetooth. Okay, it is designed for situation where the bandwidth requirements for low and power consumption must be low, which gives the long battery life. Okay, it is based upon the low and power consumption only. The data transmission between the sender to receiver is performed with the help of Bluetooth. It is also intended to be simpler and cheaper than the Bluetooth is financially feasible to incorporate in cheaper devices such as a wall switch that wireless communication with a ceiling mounted fan. Okay, with the help of a wall mounted fan or data can be transmitted with the help of wired transmission or wired switches which is can be able to transmit the data between the sender and receiver. Up to this Bluetooth and connected devices topics are over. Your second unit also completed. Okay, you have any doubt? You have any doubt in these topics? And then what are any topics left in the unit 2 means you can tell me. If any topics left in the unit 2 means you can tell me. Yeah, tell me. Any doubt means you tell me. Otherwise, we can wind up the session.
No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, pa. We can stop the session. Okay, thank you to all.